What we have here is a metal corner bead. It might be a paper face, but it doesn't matter, it's metal. So it's got a little dent in it. So what I'm gonna start out doing is I'm just gonna tap it over. I'm gonna try to straighten it out. Yeah, it's a paper face metal, which is good. Trying to tap it in so it's flat now instead of slightly bumped out. There, I like that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of compound on it, but instead of just putting compound and trying to blend it in, I'm actually going to fold a piece of tape over the top of this. That'll make it much easier to hide. So what I'm using is a piece of the fiber fuse. I'm just going to cut off like a 4-inch piece of it. Fold it right on the corner, right where that dent is. Then I'm just going to bed it nice and tight. Right now I'm pulling it away from the corner to get it as snug as possible. It's already looking pretty good. So now I'm going to coat it with a little bit of dry compound right now too, all right? It's just going to be a little bit, and it's going to need to be sanded tomorrow and probably another coat put over it. But I'm confident that this is going to look really good. That's all I'm going to do with that today.